More preparation na guys ha. Now start working. माफी गिर गिरा भी बेच आता आता
Burger opening New Year.
Diba?
Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in.
Ada burger lagi.
Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Kali balik Happy New Year.
Kali wale kami mamnu.
Daw daw Mia mia kullu kois. हाँ शुक्र है ड्यूटी पे हो क्या मजा आता है
Now is kulo working.
हाँ क्या बोल रहे हैं आज चलो शुगर
Kulo shukol now. Maybe Friday kulo open.
बेल्ट लिया कि नहीं
Why mga na handsome very handsome now.
हाँ अल्लाह
Guys ha.
ये और सुनाओ अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह और आप सुनाइए
फैजल भाई
चलो ठीक
फैजल भाई
शिविर को सलाम बोलना
पानी शानी कुछ नहीं पिलाएगा
परसों तक रेस्टोरेंट चालू हो जाएगा हम तो इधर ही है
Ito yung aming ano, pang burger beef. Ayan guys, kulo ready now. Hindi ko na binidyohan kanina yan, kita nyo. Ito lentil soup guys ha. Lentil soup, pada tomato sauce or all pasta. Guys, ada wahid sukuler or alam, hay syada or barbecue area. Happy New Year now guys. New Year. New Year dito sa Saudi, sukul. Walang ano po, trabaho tayo kahit New Year. You see now is date 1. Happy New Year now, you see? Wow. This is for barbecue. Because maybe Friday is already open again ha guys. Start to working. The meat kebab, wahid make, but then tomorrow or Friday open now. Wahid sa ira, kita ha? Ano guys? Yan, preparation tayo guys. Yan. Now is January 1. You see, is working. Still working. Ito ang buhay OFW guys ha, kita nyo. Walang ano dito, walang exempted. Basta trabaho lang. Trabaho lang tayo guys ha. Barbecue area tayo guys. Thank you for watching guys ha. Happy New Year to all guys. Now is more preparation. This is all pasta. Yan. Bye bye guys. Happy New Year to all. Happy New Year. Working here in Saudi Arabia. Not exempted to New Year here. Not the same to Philippines. Bye bye. Na-off ko guys eh. Now is more preparation guys.
yalla Chief Minister
Open, ada mapi power.
لا هذا مو يعني
Eber soya. Vinegar ha?
लेमन जूस ना पी रहा लेमन जूस ना पी
Like salt habibi, salt mapi. Yan. Mango sauce guys ha. Soya salt habibi, salt. Lemon salt pi habibi, bayo mapi po.
هذا लेमन जूस
Aywa.
ये बिना हाय गाइस हाउ आर यू
Damor girgir, shukul girgir.
हाउ आर यू
ating hamburger guys ha.
Come to Saudi, come to Saudi.
And guys, now is 1 o'clock in morning. New Year. Apple no from. Guys, bagong taon dito guys, January 1 is working. Wow! Ganito ang buhay OFW guys ha. Yan, ganyan lang tayo guys. Working tayo. Not accepted.
What color है संभाई? What color है संभाई?
क्योंकि ये मुंह नहीं कर
Burger.
Guys, yung hotel. After 3 days, 4 days, mati karbal.
Iwas o mo?
Fresh wash.
Muya? Basta?
Why wash?
Sumil hada was. Ano bas? Put hada olive oil. Kalas. Yeah, this is for soup guys ha. Seafood sauce. Bubur din tayo na pasta. Now is small preparation. Baby Friday is open. Ito yung ating seafood soup ha. Soup yan. Yung head ng ating shrimp. Biblender kayo mamaya guys ha. Diyan. Tayo ay maraming trabaho guys, kaya busy tayo sa pag-prepare guys. Happy New Year guys. This is now is January 1, 2026. I pray more blessing and good health to sa Pinas. Sarap buhay na sila ngayon. Mga lasing na or happy na sila. Dito sa Saudi walang happy. Working now. Is still working. Now is 12, maybe 12:30 in the morning. Ayan guys ha. Thank you for watching guys. Now is more preparation. Ayan guys ha, gagawa tayong lemon chicken. Magano ko ng rosemary. Yan. Lemon chicken. Ayan na yung ating chicken guys ha. Yan. Yan guys yung ating burger patty. Ready na siya guys yung ating burger patty ha. Ito naman yung ating ginawang lemon chicken. Yan, fresh yan guys. Burger patty. Ito na yung ating lemon chicken guys ha. I-mix natin. Sarap yan guys. Yan na, ready na siya. Rosemary, thyme. Ayo ah. Ayan guys, ready na ha. Yan yung ating lemon chicken guys ha. Yan na guys yung ating preparation niya yan ha. Yan, ano na yan, pang tomorrow na yan guys ha. Ready na siya guys for tomorrow. Yan. Ayan guys ha. Yala soko la bebe shada. Ay sharaf chef, shada. Gir sayada. Ayan guys. Thank you for watching guys.
Kita kalam pada yang cara.
Tadi wala jalan. Happy New Year guys.
Iya lah.
Utang ginagawa sa video, mati semua.
Spider sukul. Sim na kalam ay shada. Hey, shada.
Ah, Bastos, kamusta? Ubi mo.
Muro at kaliwali soko na handa na iya.
Really?
Sawa syrup kita. Sawa hada kulo na pa.
What sauce?
Handa niya.
What hamdan ya?
Wahid branch hada hamdan niya mapimalong.
Ah,
Sawa-sawa hada kuluna par.
Saddam.
Ayo, sadap ka lang hada sawa P party.
Ah,
Ayan guys ha. Ito naman ang pang ano natin. Pang
Jadi kile mo koy.
kalas hada pili.
Jap kalau gue banyak itu batan.
Kalas put. Put hana put. Pinas hada batin ano. Maapi yan.
Mabiala mo ita. Lagi bagi wala salibas ba para di likui. Para na haja. Oh,
Batin forget, malong.
wala kita lagi di.
Ito yung ating pang ano ha. Biryani chicken.
Lahat pa mi.
Iya.
Lahat pa kalau minta.
Alas sawi kulo hada tahat. Hap. Ayan guys ha. Kailangan ano natin na maayos yan. Gagawa tayo ng biryani bukas pag customer guys ha. Yan. Ang biryani natin chicken yan ha. Yan na. Ready na siya guys. Hindi na natin bukas may biryani tayo. Kakain tayo ng biryani. Guys yung ano. Butter dito sa ating lemon chicken lemon eh. Ayan, nakalimutan ko yung butter guys. So, order tayo ng butter. Ayan, mimix natin siya ha.
Smash.
Ayan.
تعال حبيبي.
Daw coba ani.
Ayan. Ala, mur. Ayan na guys ha. Yala, baby. Mapigir-gir. Yala, sukul.
चुप चाय होता फिर मैं सुन
Ayan ma.
अनीस भाई चाय बनाओ
Now is cutting guys. So, habibi siya ata. Now is time to cutting. Oh.
Hi guys, not to cry.
Yala. Ay siya ata. Now is preparation. More preparation. Full ready.
عمرو كده.
Full ready barbecue guys. When date, habibi date mape. Date mape. Ayan. Ayan. Full ready. Guys. Mape sura-sura. Ayan guys ha. Now is coming third. January 1 is working same. Always busy now. Now pasta is ready. Penny. Yung seafood guys ready ha. Seafood soup.
Na na. Hey, ya baro. Uy, istinara
So yung merata. Seafood soup.
Aha.
Kala tuloy smiling ha. Pasta. Aywa.
Sure.
Ada mushroom soup. Ana blender ha, sawa-sawa. Ayan guys, i-blender ko na itong ating mushroom soup ha. Hey, soya pig ha?
Mabibig.
Chop. Lala, mur. Ready now.
Buat ko ko lang madali ko kaya lang.
Guys, yung ating ano ha, spaghetti. Pag ako nagaganyan, hindi ko binabasa yan. Olive oil lang yan sa akin. Yan. Mushroom soup is ready now. Ulit taste. Yan na guys.
4 gram, 3 gram.
Ada to 200 gram ada. Mushroom soup is ready guys. Yeah. Thank you for watching guys. Happy New Year to all. Happy New Year to all guys. Bye bye. Listed at the January 1.